activity, students will come here and choose their slip and tell about their topic. So let's start this activity.
Good morning everyone. Before I start, I would like to thank my respected ma'am Geeta Prajapati ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my views. Unity in diversity, India's strength. India is a land of culture, traditions, religions, but yet we all stand as one nation. People in North state might speak Hindi, in West they speak Gujarati, in East they speak Bengali, and in South they speak Tamil and Telugu. But we live as one nation. Whenever a moment of joy or crisis, the Indian people stood as one nation. The Western people have a stereotype that India's people fight for religions, cultures and traditions. But they did not know that the people of India live very happily with joy and love. So at the end, I would like to say that India is a country of religions and tradition, but we stand as one nation. So I would say that we also live in our unity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, before I begin, I would like to thank to my ma'am Geeta Prajapati ma'am for giving me this platform to express my views. Today I am in the jam session in the following topic. Importance of education. Education is like a superpower. It helps us to read, write and understand the world around us. An educated person can get a good job, make his choices and live a better life. Yes, sometimes studying is like boring or hard as we have to wake up early, we have to do homeworks and we have to give examinations. But remember this line, the roots of education are bitter but the fruit is sweet. In conclusion, this line means that if we work hard now, we will enjoy the success later. Education also teaches us how to behave, how to think and how to help others. It helps our country to grow and makes us a better human being. And never stop learning, at least till the earning. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to say thanks to our teacher, Mrs. Geeta Prajapati, who conduct this amazing activity for us. So now I take my seat. And my topic is education system in India. So now I share to my thought about the education system in India. Education is the backbone of a strong and progressive nation. In India, we have a long tradition of learning, dating back to ancient times with institutions like Nalanda and Tachashila. In recent years, India has made significant progress in expanding access to education. Government initiatives like the Right to Education Act and the new education policy NEP 2020 aim to make education more inclusive and skill-based and students certain. So thank you everyone.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Utkarsh Joshi. I study at 10th grade in Vivekananda Vidya Mandir at district Champavat. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Geeta Prajapati ma'am who gave me this golden opportunity to speak on this activity Jam Just a Minute. So I have to choose one topic from this box. This is a magic box. This is importance of time management. Okay, time management is very important for us. If we instead of using mobile phones and other TV, we can use our time properly. Time management is like looks like a river. If it flows away, it's never come back. If we respect the time, time will give us the successful thing. We can make our schedule that help us to make our day better. I can tell you tips that we have to wake early. After we can study and doing homework, and then we can take our breakfast. After we can go to school and come back and we can play games, study, and at night we can take dinner and after we can sleep. This is the best schedule for a student. Student life is also a good, but we have to manage this time for our work. So time is gold. Don't let it cold. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Geeta Prajapati ma'am who gave me this golden opportunity to take part in this activity Jam Just a Minute. So my topic is the role of class teacher in our life. The role of class teacher life is very important for student life because he is very important for us. he supports us in both academically and personally. I have some key points to describe the role of class teacher in a student life. First, the class teacher track each of the student performance and provide support where needed. Second one is discipline and values. The class teacher create and discipline in a classroom and teach values like responsibility, respect, and etc. Third one is monitoring and mentoring. The class teacher observe every student